Hello everyone, myself Sunil Shinde, and today's my video topic is constructor in Java, and today's date is 9th September. Let's discuss about what is the constructor, how to use, how to use, when to use, and its type. The constructor is mainly a special method in Java while initialize the object. When it creating the object, it's from the created instance of class. When it calling the instance of class, it's allocated memory allocate for that object, and whenever new object is created from the instance of class, it is we have to use the new keyword for creating the object, and it's by default. And in the constructor, how to rules for the creating constructor. Rule is that constructor name is as same to use as the class name. If you have class name XYZ, then your constructor name is also XYZ, because it's a rule of that making creating constructor, that is class name as it is constructor name. The second one is constructor cannot be static, abstract, final. It's only on non-static constructor because it's not allocated to use that type of constructor. And the third one is constructor. While using constructor, we have to declare the method of class. And why to use constructor? Constructor is used to create, assign the default values of assign the values of variable to the class. While the class variables is in that time when you declare the class variables, that time you have to assign the values. That's why constructor is much needed. And its type is two types of constructor mainly. The first one is default constructor, is no argument constructor, also called as. The second one is parameterized constructor. The first one is a default constructor, means that if you have doesn't have parameter values, it known as constructor default constructor, which means that default constructor does not have any values, that it's automatically get values, automatically defaultly get from the Java compiler. When you doesn't assign any values to the constructor, Java compiler make that automatically design the default constructor. And the next one is parameterized constructor, that constructor which is a specific number of parameters, that's called as parameterized constructor. Why we use parameter constructor is that if you want to give values as if you want give the values as you like, then you have it's easy to use parameterized constructor, and it's passed to the next method. It's now the constructor in Java. Thank you.